You made it flat. I just can't.
You're over that, huh?
Yeah. I was in my dad's car.
Yep.
He has a Stinger, all-wheel drive, and
oh yeah, the Kia Stinger.
yeah,
those things are nice, bro. I like the Kia Stingers, especially the ones with the cool like I don't know what logo they're using on the Stinger, but it's almost kind of like a Mazda sideways.
Yeah.
I just think that's such a cool logo. I think they should make that their like main Kia logo.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
I really like this. I like the
feeling
color.
of four-wheel drive just feels like, I don't know, it just feels more grippy and
Oh,
I just
100%.
Yeah, this feels great.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. See, I was originally wanting to get the hybrid.
Yep.
But I heard that they're not that great on the highway, and I do a lot of traveling.
Yeah. Well, and one thing about those is it's still very new on the Tucson's. So they're still kind of trying to figure it out. It's like getting the first version of an iPhone. You know what I mean? They're still kind of working out some kinks.
Yeah.
That's at least my personal opinion.
Thinking about getting it.
I just love test driving cars. We're supposed to just be here for you.
That's funny.
That's all right. I'm glad you're here because that's what I love about this job is test driving cars. So
We're gonna do the same thing we did last time.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
This is nice.
I like the steering wheel too. It's small with my little hands.
Oh my god, I love Ferraris.
Beautiful.
It is really
Go show them the steering wheel, damn it.
Go show them the steering.
Look at it. Look at the steering wheel. You see this shit? Make sure you blur out everything.
Okay.
hey, congrats, bro.
Make sure you video the ringing of the bell. That's the
Oh yeah.
Let's go ring the bell, my friend.
That's pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ring it loud. How you feel? Wait.
Feel good.
How you feel? Feel good?
Yeah, I feel good.
Yeah.
Y'all been to Pop Bitches?
No. What happened over there?
Somebody blew up. We're going to BBW's.
Yep.
Big beautiful wings.
Yep. That's exactly that.
Yeah, let me see your eyes.
No.
They got all the boards.
Huh?
They got all the boards.
No.
Why you holding your drink like a baby?
I love my drink. I got a chokehold on mine. I want some toll beans.
Why are you grabbing them so hard?
I don't know. Fine. Come on, grab a friend. You're a bear? Why? Okay. Okay. These are cute. Look at yourself. I don't like them.
I don't do that.
That's because
You're holding it.
Oh.
Thank you. Oh, this is a black one. Nice. Don't do anything bad. Do your homework. Eat your veggies. Something like that.
That's the front.
That's the front. Your boobies get pushed to the sides. You taste them here.
That's why it has the holes.
Yeah. Genius. Follow me. Love it. Want to buy it. Not wearing pants with it. I love your car, bro.
That shit fly, dog. Let's go downtown.
Let's go downtown.
Yeah.
Wait, it is? Oh shit, it is. I haven't named it yet. What do y'all think?
This shit clean, man.
I love it.
It smells brand
So
new.
nice. It is brand new.
It smells like you just took the plastic off of it.
We in a new whip.
Skirt, 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 skirt. It's bright as hell in here, ain't it?
Yeah, it do look bright.
It's super bright.
I think it's because of the seat color.
Seat colors and there's no tint.
Yeah, no tint. Yeah, I'm
No
happy.
tint.
Yeah.
How many miles did it have on it?
11 when I got it. Damn.
And whose car is this? It ain't mine. I don't know what person.
No, this is my car. I bought it yesterday. I didn't really explain what happened yesterday. It was just like a bunch of clips. But I got stuff on my face. You know, yesterday was hectic. Like, we was at the dealership like all day, and then we met up with Destiny and Nick, and we just hung out, and then came back to the dealership at night, and then transferred all my stuff from Sardonyx into this car. And yeah, we
This
drove.
car don't have a name.
Yeah, this car don't have a name yet, but I will be making a JoJo's Garage episode sometime soon.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I was telling him when he bought the car, we were driving off. I was like, "You deserve this. You deserve this."
And if I didn't even tell them what the name of the car is, it's a 2022 Hyundai Elantra SEL. Yeah.
We went to Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah.
I was saying it wrong.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I might cut that out, so it's whatever. But
well, I still want to tell them I was saying the acronym wrong, and it was stupid.
she said BBW instead of BWW. Here's a little quick walk around. A little miniature walk around. Before. I ain't gonna do too much because I'm gonna make a whole video about it. But that's what it looks like. Yeah. We went to Potbelly's. Yo. Potbelly's.
I didn't know it was cut in half. I never ate here. I got chippies.
But yeah, Potbelly's.